Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can add a new background to your videos on CapCut. So here I've already has a video that I imported to CapCut, and I want to add a new background to this video. So first I'm going to get rid of the current background. So I'm going to click on the clip and go to cutout and remove its background. Okay, after I remove the background will turn into a black background like this. And to add a new one, you can just go back and then find the canvas menu at the bottom here. Okay, this one, canvas, just click on that, and there will be three options. If you want to add a solid color, you can just click on color and choose the color that you want. If you want to add a new background, so here CapCut also provided you with some of background choices that you can pick. So for example, I want to add maybe this one. So just click on the background that you want to use and it will be applied to your clip. After that, you can just click on the check icon, and this is the final result. Okay, so it might not be perfect because the some of the part of the video will go on like this. Okay, so that's basically it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment if you have any question, like this video, and click on the thanks button. Thank you.